Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable slow mode on Telegram group. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The feature is called slow mode and it works like a charm. When the member sends a message in your slow mode group, they won't be able to post anything else for a period of your choosing. It could be as little as 30 seconds or as long as 1 hour. And how to turn this feature on, the slow mode, on your Telegram group? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can open your group that you want to enable the slow mode feature. You can open the group info. You can tap on the pencil icon on the top of your group here. You can scroll down. On permissions, there is a permission option. You can just tap on that. And you can see there is an option slow mode. Here you can choose how long each member must wait before sending their next message. You can choose from 10 seconds until 1 hour. Maybe for the example, I will choose for 30 seconds. So member will be able to send only one message every 30 seconds. You can tap on the upper right corner on the checklist here and checklist again. So now the member of your group will be able to send their next message after 30 seconds. It's a simple, right? So that is how to enable slow mode on Telegram group. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!